What's up, guys? The price of Terra Classic and Luna 2 just dumped pretty hard. Can it go lower, or is this a great buying opportunity? We're going to check that out. I'll tell you what I'm doing, and before we get into all that, we'll quickly look at the Bitcoin price and where the entire crypto market is headed, because that will affect Terra Luna. All right. So this is Bitcoin right here, and we are about 10 hours away from possibly having our 10th red weekly candle close in a row. That would be crazy. The old record was 6. We've already broke the record, and we're going for 10 now. Hanging on by a thread here. But regardless, I think we're definitely way overdue for a relief bounce, and I think over the next few weeks we will see that. Now zooming in on the shorter time frame, here 4-hour chart, we were in this falling wedge pattern we just formed, and we did break out of it here, but this is a very weak breakout, and the volume is absolutely tiny here. And whenever there's tiny volume, then you have a great risk of a fake out, and it could just come right back down and just dump down. So I would not trust this breakout. What we need to see is the price go up here, maybe to at least 30,000, and also have some significant volume. If we see that, then I think we could get to our price target of 32,000. But right now, very weak breakout. I would not trust it. We want to see something like back here where we had a clean breakout. Not a ton of volume, but way more than we're having right now. So some decent volume. And yeah, this one made it exactly to our price target of 32,000. And yeah, so we made a nice trade here. We were up 130% in profits. So subscribe if you want to get in on these trades with me and get these trade alerts. You can check out my trade in my previous video if you want. But this breakout right here, I would be cautious, because this could still go either way. It's a very weak breakout, tiny volume, so I wouldn't trust it. So if we can get up, start getting the price going up with some volume, then I think we could make it. But we also need to watch our support down here at 28,800. If we break this support, then we will probably see a bigger dump down to like 27,000. So that's the level to watch. But I think the larger time frame, we're still looking bullish, and I think over the next few weeks we will see a relief bounce, and June will be a good month for crypto. All right, now moving on to Terra Classic and Luna 2. So this is Terra Classic, and yeah, we've seen, so last video I was talking about this, price is flat and the volume is decreasing, which means we're gonna see a big move coming. And it's not, I said it's not guaranteed to be a big move up. It can also be a big move down. And we did see a big move down right here with huge volume here. We had tiny volume, and then boom, huge volume and a big move down. But we did form this real nice wick, which indicates there's a lot of buying pressure down at these price levels. And yeah, but it was a pretty good dump. We're down like 12%. But I think this is a good buying area if you've been looking to buy some. Excuse me. Now looking at Luna 2 over here, also saw the same dump, and this dumped a little harder. It's down 24%, so went down twice as much. And yeah, but both of these charts, we'll go back to Luna Classic, they also have a bullish divergence on the 1 hour where the price is going down and the RSI is going up, which means we could see a reversal. Of course, you have to keep in mind that these are very volatile right now, so technical indicators aren't the most reliable thing, there's a lot of attention on it, and any sort of news could pump or dump the price. But we do have a bullish divergence, so the indicators are looking good. And Luna 2, we went down from 6 down to 4.5 or so. And I've said in my past videos, my buying level is between 4 and 5 for this, so I think this is a good time if you want to pick up some Luna 2 also. But you can also see how similar these charts look going back and forth. They flattened out about the same, and then they both dumped almost identical to each other. So Terra Classic and Luna 2 right now appear to be very correlated. If one dumps, the other does, and if one pumps, the other probably will too. So that's interesting. But yeah, question is, can we go lower, or is this a good buying opportunity? Well, the indicators are looking good, and yeah, like I said, $4 to $5 was my buying zone in Luna 2. So I did buy some Luna 2 today. I think this is a pretty good price to get in at. And then Terra Classic, I also bought some of that. We're seeing some nice buying pressure here, and I think this could turn around too. But I want to make it clear that it is very risky. These could still go down lower. I mean, it's super volatile. These could go way up, or they could go way down. So it's very risky, but I bought some, and we'll see. We'll see what happens. So subscribe if you want to get more of these Terra Luna updates. I make them every day. And thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for liking and subscribing. You guys are amazing, and I'll see y'all later.